As a man, I have responsibility for the world. I need to be an honest man. I should to be an honest man. And also I have to be an honest man. I have to create a green earth for the peoples. I need to avoid illegal work. I have to do legal work every time. I have to think positive. I have to create positive world, and also I have to build a knowledgeable world. Otherwise my life become unvaluable. That's why I have to learn knowledge. I know very well knowledge is power. We can do any positive work by learning knowledge. That's why I always try to learn new knowledge. Guys, I know you are very sincere person. You also try to do something for the world. So guys, let's go. We can make a good, a beautiful world. We can make a green world for upcoming generation. We can make a positive world. We can destroy it. We can minimize all corruption. We can destroy it, or we can minimize, or we can decrease all crime, and we can also make a happy world, guys. So now today we start to our journey. We start to make our journey. Today we get promise. Today we will try to speak truth. Today we will try to avoid corruption. Okay guys, that's all. Bye for now.